Alright, let's go through the questions. The first question, define leadership. It's a 2-mark question, so there's no need for an example. Just 2 points would be enough. Sorry. So you just talk me through about the 2 points for leadership, okay? Now, question number 2, referring to contemporary business study, explain the importance of leadership when implementing change, okay? For the purposes of contemporary business study, we discussed Woolworths in our outcome 1, so I've attached it to the assignment task as well. So use that case study to explain the importance of leadership when implementing change. So remember that we are talking about implementing change. What is the importance of leadership when you're actually doing some changes in the workplace? Okay. Now, next question, explain the importance of leadership in change management process. So again, in the change management process, so it was implementing change. Okay, now this is change management process. How are you going to, what is the importance of leadership when you're actually going through that process? Okay, now make sure you're referring to the task code, explain and define. So make sure you're writing the answer based on the task code. Okay, now if you find it good enough to write the answers, go away and write the answers and come back and check the rest of the video to look at the sample answers. Okay, now there we go, guys. Again, define leadership. So ability of manager to influence and motivate people towards the achievement of business objectives. Again, 2 words here are motivating people and achievement of business objectives. So if you have written these 2 points, 2 marks for you. Good work. Okay. Now, in terms of referring to contemporary business study, explain the importance of leadership when implementing change. Okay, so again, you're defining leadership here. Okay, so 1 mark is for defining the leadership, and then again the 2 marks are for Woolworths case study. So again, the contemporary case study, I've given this information here. If you don't write it, it's not a big deal. Importance during times of change, employees can often resist change, good leadership and all that stuff. Well, it is going to strengthen your answer. Okay, but however, if you write this can be seen in Woolworths case study, where MD Managing Director Claire Peters is leading the change in implementing the new store operating model. So in the case study, they are looking at doing a new store operating model to be able to keep up with the customers' expectations and convenience. So they're looking at expectations and convenience of the customers. The leadership at Woolworths is supporting the stakeholders by answering questions and giving affected staff the opportunity to apply for new roles within the restructure. Okay, so again, when we are looking at contemporary business study, you have to link it back to the case. Okay, do not give me the generic answer. Link it back to the case, how it is important to that relevant case. Okay, now again, next question, explain the importance of leadership in change management process. Okay, again, leadership plays a vital role in successful implementation of change in business. Individual leaders or leadership team need to manage the different stages of the change and be clear about the purpose of an outcome required from the change. So see the difference between the answer. So it is the importance of leadership when implementing change. When you're looking at doing the change, what is the importance of the leader, but what is the importance of the leader in that process? Okay, so this is something you need to make sure you're not writing the same answer to both the questions. Okay, they need the skills necessary to manage change, such as effective communication, decision making skills, and ability to delegate. Leaders need to clearly communicate the vision and ensure that the strategies and resources are in place for the change to occur with minimal or no employee resistance. Okay, resistance. They also need to ensure that the planned changes are embedded in the activities and processes undertaken by the businesses. Okay, so these are just the sample answers. Hopefully this makes it clear what you need to write for the answers. So make sure you make changes to your answers with a different color and send them to me for feedback. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.